Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'm sharing a preview of this month's printables that are included in the Junk Journal Printables Club. This month begins a brand new year of the Printables Club, which runs from January through to December 2026. This year in the Printables Club, I'm offering a monthly paper pack of 60 printable papers. This month's paper pack is titled Vintage Nostalgia and features beautiful vintage-themed picture pages and coordinating papers. Also included this year is a bonus template set that, together with the paper pack, you can use to create your own unique junk journals every month. The template set includes 20 different templates for pages and embellishments in PNG and PDF format, as well as Canva template frames, plus a hidden spine and signature whole guide set in spine width sizes 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and 2 inches. This whole guide set makes it easy to punch out the stitch holes in your signatures and journal covers. You can find a link to the Printables Club as well as the tutorials showing you how to use the templates in the description below this video.